I just got the Soundtoys Little Plate Reverb plugin for free, and I thought I'd do my initial tests in a video with you. So let's have a look to see what this thing is all about. So I have it loaded up in a few places in this project, on my vocal send here, on an acoustic guitar send, and then I'm using it as an insert plugin on my shakers. As you can tell, it's a very simple, straightforward plugin. You have one big knob here for decay, you have a mix knob, you have a low cut, and then there's this modulation switch here. That's it. So let's listen to it on our vocal track and see what we can come up with here.
Under the sun was shining so bright, barefoot dancing through the day and night. Every moment feels like a dream. And this endless summer for you and me. Oh, let's chase the sun together. We're having so much fun.
All right, so that's not too bad right there. It gives us an idea of what this plugin's all about. It's something you could just load onto a track or onto a bus, dial it in quick, and you're done. It can be a really easy reverb to work with because of that, but there's also some complex things in here. So with the EMT 140, which is what this is based on, it could just go up to 5 seconds of decay. So you can see all of this stuff after the red stuff. This is kind of the fun part that Soundtoys has added to this. And you can see it goes to infinity, so it can create some really weird sounds. So now let's check it out on the acoustic guitar. I really want to test out some of this more experimental stuff here. I actually really like that kind of constant droning effect that this creates. You could have that lowered down more in the background and just kind of create this atmosphere with your acoustic guitar like we did here, or pianos and key instruments, something like that, or maybe even on your vocals and you can use some ducking with it. I think that would sound really cool. All right, now I want to check it out on a little more of a percussive type of instrument. And in this project, I don't really have drums. I have a shaker though. So let's test this out as an insert on a shaker track. All right, so this is a really cool little reverb plugin. If you just want something to throw on a track and add a little bit of character to it, this plugin will give you that. And you can grab it for free until December 1st, 2023. And if you want even more free plugins, check out this video right here. It's full of them. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.